Hello and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to install the infamous Spleeter on Windows 10 and 11. I say infamous because, I have seen many people try to get Spleeter working on their computer but always run into errors and eventually give up. I myself found it incredibly frustrating and spent hours upon hours, trying multiple different ways to get it working. However, I have finally found a solution that works every time. I have created a step-by-step instruction guide on my website, easystems.com, which I will link in the description. I highly recommend opening the instructions while you follow the video, as you can directly copy and paste the commands from the website instead of typing them. Let's begin. Firstly, we need to make sure that we have all of the required software installed, and that the software is the correct version. I have found the best success with Python version 3.8 when working with Spleeter. Some of you may not have Python installed and some may have a different version, so let's fix that first. Open the Windows menu and search for, Add or Remove a Program, and open it. Now search your installed programs for Python. If you don't have Python installed, that is okay. If you have any version of Python that isn't 3.8, you must uninstall it. Next we need to install Python 3.8. Go to the Microsoft Store and search in Apps for Python 3.8. When you find it, click it and install it. ffmpeg can be a pain and is the most common error when trying to run Spleeter. There are two ways to install it, and it seems sometimes one of the two options does not work. Let's start with the simple way first. If you do get an error when running Spleeter saying ffmpeg is missing, I will show you the second approach to fix that later. To install ffmpeg with pip, type the following command into the command prompt and press enter. This will install ffmpeg but might take a while, so just let it finish before moving to the next step. Updating the environment variable to add Python scripts. Editing the environment variable allows you to call Python scripts in command prompt. For example, if you don't do this and you try to run Spleeter, it will fail. Firstly, we need to find out where the Python scripts are located on your computer. Open command prompt and type the following command. You should now be able to see a list of Python apps, and their install path on your computer. The install path should be the same for all of the apps. Copy the path to your clipboard and open Windows File Explorer. Up the top of the File Explorer, paste in the path that you copied just before. This should take you to a folder that looks similar to this. Now, go back one folder in Windows Explorer and you should see a folder named Scripts. Open the Scripts folder, and copy the path of this current location. Paste the path into Notepad or something similar as we will need it later. Now with the path you copied down, it's time to add it to your environment variables. Open the Windows menu and type, Environment Variable, then click, Edit Environment Variables. You should see a window like this. Now click on the Environment Variables button which is down the bottom of the window. A new window will open that should look like this. In the top half of the window, click the row that says Path, and then click Edit. A new window should open that looks like this. Click the New button, and then paste in the folder path of the Python scripts folder that you copied down before. Once done, click OK on all three windows to close them. Be sure to also close any command prompt windows as the environment variable change won't take effect on any open terminals. Now it is time to install Spleeter. I have had trouble getting some versions of Spleeter to work, however, from my testing version 2.0 seems the most stable. To install this version type the following command into command prompt and press enter. Wait for the install to finish, it may take some time. Now that Spleeter is installed, let's test it to confirm it is working. In some cases you might get an error saying ffmpeg not found, however, If this happens, don't worry, I will show you how to fix that later. Firstly, start by finding a song that you want to process. Put the song into your music folder. Make sure the song's file name is simple. For example, rename it to something basic like test.mp3. Now open Command Prompt. We need to change the directory in Command Prompt to where your song is located, which for the purpose of this video, it's in the music folder. Type the following command to change the directory and press Enter. You should see that the directory of Command Prompt is now showing your music folder. Now it's time to run Spleeter. Type the following command into Command Prompt, or copy it from my website and paste it in. One small mistake will make Spleeter fail. Be sure that the file name of your song matches the file name in the command. Once you are happy with the command, press Enter and Spleeter will run. Ideally, if Spleeter works, it will extract the stems from your audio file and place them into a folder named Output in your music folder. Congratulations! You can also extract 4 stems by just changing the 2 stems part of the command to 4 stems. If you got an error about ffmpeg when running Spleeter, I will explain how to fix that now. To fix the ffmpeg error, we need to download ffmpeg manually. You can find a link to download ffmpeg on my website, which is linked below. Go to the website and click the download button. Once downloaded, you will need a program like WinRAR to open the file, as it is a .7z archive file. Open the file ffmpeg with WinRAR, or something similar, and extract the folder directly to your C drive. Once on your C drive, rename the folder to ffmpeg. Now we need to add ffmpeg to our environment variable, just like we did with the Python scripts. Open up the path variable. Click New and type the following as a new entry. Click OK on all 3 windows again to save it. Close any open Command Prompt terminals and open Command Prompt again. Use the cd music command again and then try running Spleeter with the same command as before. It should now run without error. If you have managed to get this far and get Spleeter working, a massive kudos to you. I have 10 years experience as a software developer and it took me hours to find a good solution for installing Spleeter. If you are still getting errors, please reach out to me and I will try and assist you. There may be other common errors that I didn't run into while making this video. If needed, I will make a follow-up video to address any other common issues. I hope this video has helped you, and thank you for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe to support this channel. I also have a link below and on the instructional guide on my website where you can buy me a coffee, which is really just a small donation, if you want to support me further. I wish you the best of luck. Goodbye and thank you for watching.